Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 20th to 24th October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD, that is gold USD on Friday. So currently 1.73% negative move, 4,251.15 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart, and in this weekly chart, if I talk about the candle, you can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a big upper wick. Currently stochastic RSI is around 100 level, that is a overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. If I talk about, if you haven't subscribed to my channel firstly, then do consider subscribing to my channel, because I make such analysis video every week and upload such videos. So that you don't miss any video, do consider clicking on the bell icon and or click on the all notification tab always on, so that you don't miss any videos that I upload. Currently we have to mark some important support zones and resistance zone that we can see in this area. So I'm marking such important levels. Do consider marking that as well on your chart. So currently I have almost marked some important levels which will be helpful for this week around. So let's talk about the closing first over here. So here, if I talk about the closing, 42.51 is the closing. In here I'm expecting a small support that is around 4,250. Here the direct resistance is 43.23, direct support is 42.50. So these are our no trading zone. Currently we are near direct support, so once this gets breached, we can go for a short position till this low, that is around 4186. Currently, if I talk about my important two support and resistance zone, after direct support there is a support of 4208 and then 4143. After direct resistance there is a resistance of 4380 and then 4450. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and this will help you to take better trades for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold or XAU USD for this week. So currently, according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive or a sideways closing. I'm expecting a closing in 42.50 to 43.23. Overall, I am a slight negative. I'm expecting a slight negative move, that is around 42.08 to 42.50 as well. But overall, I'm expecting a closing in this range, that is a big range, 42.51 to 43.23. I'm expecting closing in this range with a slight negative sentiment. Overall, my expectation bit of sideways to negative. Also, if you are going for a bullish trade, then only go for a bullish trade once 43.23 gets breached and a one-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long till 43.80. And if this gets breached, then we can go for 44.50 levels. Currently, my expectation is overall negative. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.